FlixLab. There you go.
A little shorter. So, hi, Dave Slater from FlixLab. A big change in consumer behavior is that smartphones are quickly becoming the camera of choice. But what isn't changing is well over 90% of people who shoot pictures, and particularly videos, do nothing with them because it's too hard to work with multiple pictures and videos from the same event, find the best parts of what you shot, and really just have the time and the energy to put something nice together to share. FlixLab is focused on automating this by automatically making great movies from the pictures and videos that you shoot on your phone, and in a breakthrough social experience, even the pictures and videos shot on your friends' phones. Now, a key insight for the business is that for, at least in the world of personal videos, a lot of what people shoot is very similar. And a lot of the resulting output they want is also fairly similar. And this provides a great opportunity to automate the experience with technology if you can do it really, really fast. And that's been a big issue in consumer video to date. So let's take a look at the product, how it works today, most appropriately via video. First, we select content, and this can be anything shot by the device or pulled from other online repositories. Tag who's in the movie, and if you want, indicate who the star is, so our system can feature more of that person than others. Apply a theme, which is like an event type, say kid's birthday or love. This theme then recommends music from our library, or you can choose your own. And that's it. Your movie is ready to go. If you want, you can give your Facebook friends the ability to remix the movie and then have access to the source assets that were in your movie. Our cloud-based system then goes to work and automatically selects the best parts of what you chose, applies the theme, the transitions, music, and it does it fast, under 10 seconds for most movies, unlike using something like iMovie, which can take 10 minutes or longer to render. FlixLab also presents a breakthrough social experience in allowing users to use footage shot by others. Friends who are shooting pictures or videos in the same time and place as each other get a notification that a friend has footage to share. If they both accept, an unlimited number of friends can share footage with each other for the duration of the event. And all can see what everyone has shot, and even make movies from this or anything else they have access to. So that's the product. How do you make money from something like this? We're focusing towards a monetization model of a freemium where a subset of users are actually paying for enhanced capabilities like longer durations, more frequent publishing, or other kinds of enhanced capabilities. The product launched in June, and the response has completely validated that this is a much larger opportunity than even we thought, and a bigger pain than we thought. We had over 30 major press outlets. Every tech press I've ever heard of covered us, including, thank you, GigaOM, one of the first, and mainstream press, Wall Street Journal, a number of NBC affiliates, CNN Primetime. And we've acquired well over 100,000 active users, downloads, with people actually making movies since that launch. So since FlixLab is much more than just a mobile application, it's a video platform, we have a deeply experienced 11-person team anchored by our engineering organization with over 50 patents in video and distributed systems, real marketing leadership from Tapulous and Sony Mobile. We're bringing in this idea of social engineering and social commerce into this utility application, and our great entrepreneurial expertise from our executive chairman, Tim Mott, who co-founded Electronic Arts, Macromedia, and his smallest exit, Audible.com, for about $300 million to Amazon. Very experienced team. So I'll close by letting you know that FlixLab, we're currently raising our next round, and the purpose of this is to really further drive the innovation in the market and really make working with consumer video for the first time really fast, really fun, a truly social experience, and as easy to work with as text is posting to a social network today. Thank you.
Nice job. I like how you can share the videos with friends, except I don't have any friends, so does the app help me there?
We do.
Okay.
We have a new, makes you handsome as well.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we've got scores. Let's see them. Got a 7, 7, 6, and 8. All right, what's the 6 for, Jim?
Sure. Great product, really fun product, and I'm certainly guilty of creating content and letting it sit. So I'm a potential target for sure. The challenges that I would see going forward is it looks like it's a competitive space. There's a lot of folks going after this and related services. And then monetization. I think getting people, if it's a consumer end play, getting people to open up the credit card on a consistent basis more than just a project basis is always difficult. But as I said, please send me an email and I'll sign up.
There you go.
That's some great negative feedback.
Thank you, guys.
Hi, I'm Vikas Vinayak, CEO and co-founder of Quantance. I'm here to talk about something very simple, power supplies. How a simple but powerful power supply can improve the performance of your 4G phone and network. 4G is all about data and data speeds. Speed increases power consumption, and sooner or later you run into physical limits. And if that problem is not solved, 4G phones will continue to throttle back their speeds, and networks will continue to leave capacity and coverage on the table. 4G networks have a performance problem, and Quantance has a solution. The industry's highest performance power supply, Q-Boost. With our product, a phone can increase its uplink speed by up to 3 times and deliver the full promise of 4G. Our initial products are currently in design phase at various OEMs. So you all know the problem, right? 2G coverage is better than 3G, and 3G is better than 4G. And in areas of bad coverage, and there are many of those, performance and speed degrade rather rapidly and customers are unhappy. The fundamental cause of this is in your phone. Did you know that in data mode, your phone can generate only half the transmit power it can do in voice mode? Isn't that amazing? To take an analogy, if you want your car to go faster, you expect the engine to develop more power, not less. This limited power for data makes customers unhappy. Why? Because service is slow, coverage is spotty, and batteries die quickly. So what's happening over here? The fast data rates of 4G causes the circuits inside your phone to rapidly change their power requirements. And conventional power supplies cannot cope up with these fast-changing power requirements. So, erring on the side of caution, they give more power than is minimum needed. That leads to heat. To manage from that, you have to slow the circuits down, and suddenly you don't have the uplink power. This is not acceptable. Mobile phone design must change to accommodate the needs of user smartphones. And that simple solution is Q-Boost, a simple, patented, powerful, ultra-fast power supply. So fast that it can deliver the exact amount of power needed, where it's needed, when it's needed, and such that when you need extra performance, you have it available. Q-Boost is based on a highly efficient analog computation with powerful digital switching to create a power supply that responds up to 100 times faster than anything else on the market. And the result, you can transmit 100% more power. So why is power important? Well, ultimately the consumer. Power equates extra uplink speed, better coverage, better capacity, fewer dropped calls, data when and where you need it. With Q-Boost, we can help deliver the promise of 4G. But Q-Boost is not just about 4G. After all, every high-performance electronics product needs a high-performance power supply. Today, we've announced our Series C funding of $11 million. And with that, we will continue to fulfill the needs of our customers and help them build the best electronics products. Thank you.
Super. It's not going to make my phone blow up or anything, right? All right, just checking. All right, do we have, yes we do, we've got 8, 8, 9, and 8. Jim, you gave it a 9.
Yeah.
You're sold on it?
Well, traditionally power solutions have always been notoriously difficult, I think, for the last 10 or 15 years. So it's a really difficult problem, which means if you can get it right, a huge opportunity. The reason I like it, besides that, is I think this is an ROI solution.
Yes.
For carriers,
exactly.
And that will pay for itself quickly if it's done correctly. The challenge, of course, is it's a difficult problem, So good luck.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Great.